It's time for Start Speaking Springboard Chapter 2. This is the 8-week summer voiceover intensive where you will read, speak, and spark your business into reality. There are tons of extras. There's all these master classes, there's bonuses, there's one-on-one coaching sessions with me, there's group coaching, there's hot seat feedback, there's a million practical tips, tricks, checklists that will bring your voiceover business to life. It is not for the faint of heart, let me warn you, but it is for those who are willing and ready to do the work, dig in, build the creative business from home that they love. So there's a link below to learn more, and registration opens Sunday, May 22nd. It is only open for 7 days, so make sure you mark your calendars and all that jazz. Today, we're going to talk about the 4 essentials for your voiceover website, the Fab 4 that your website must have if you want to start booking work online. So, first, listen, in the summer intensive, we'll actually build your voiceover website together, and then we'll have it up and running before you graduate, but blah, blah, blah. First, for this, your Fab 4. Your first is your demos. So this might seem like a super no-brainer, but you'd be amazed how many voiceover websites ask you to inquire to hear their demos. No. Or another big mistake, they only showcase one kind of demo. Or even worse, they have bad demos on their website. Oh gosh, okay. We've talked about demos a lot this year already, so we've already done other videos and voiceover challenges about it. So suffice it to say, you want to put your best foot forward, and you need to have something on your website to listen to like right away. You don't need people to ask for something to listen to. They're already there because they want to listen to something. So give it to them. Demos on the website. 2, next you want to have your expertise and experience. If you're new, don't lie. That's BS. Don't lie and say you have a bunch of experience that you don't have. If you're new, then you just want to stick to your expertise, right? So what do you know a lot about? What kind of voiceover are you most comfortable performing? What are your niches? Something else we'll cover in the summer intensive, by the way. But if you do have some experience, then you want to list it. For sure, list it. If you've got some big fancy named clients, then you want to put those on your website. That gives you a lot of clout, and it builds trust immediately with potential clients because they're like, oh shit, those people trusted her. Well, I'm gonna trust her too, right? Or him. I just was being myself, right? Anyway, 3rd, you want testimonials. Again, if you're new, don't make up fake testimonials, y'all. That's not cool. But you can put in feedback from a coach or a compliment from a teacher or a director that you've had, or if you have any previous public speaking experience or performance experience, you can put that in lieu of voiceover client experience, right? So testimonials are another key feature that will help whoever's reading your website trust you. They're a key feature of building trust with potential clients. By the time they get to the 4th thing on your website, they're already ready to hire you. And here's the 4th thing. Now, a potential client has heard your voice. They've heard your best performances because that's what you put on your demo. They've learned about your experience and expertise. They know what you're good at. And they're thinking, oh, that's expertise I can use, or they wouldn't keep scrolling, right? Then they read feedback from others about your work. They read about how awesome your coach says you are. They read about how well you perform. All of this valuable information. This is the final piece of the puzzle. The contact form. Bum-ba-da-dum. Don't give them all this valuable information and then play hard to get, y'all. Don't do that. Be easy to contact. And for the love of all that is holy, do not list your email address directly on your website, because that is a recipe for bots to get a hold of your address and spam you to high heaven, y'all. So you want a simple contact form so that you can get their contact information without having to give yours away. So that way, if you do get spammed, then you just don't respond and they don't have your information from you. They don't have any way to contact you except through your website, which is good. For legit inquiries, You're gonna get some of those, duh, because you have a perfect, wonderful Fab 4 website. You'll be ready to respond professionally. You'll be ready to be energetic, right? You have exactly what they need to complete their project perfectly. You'll have templates for that. That's another thing we do in the summer. So if you are getting together your first voiceover website, make sure you've got the Fab 4 on your side. You want delicious demos, expertise and experience, fabulous feedback, and a quick and easy contact form. All right, so thanks for tuning in this week to the Business of Storytelling, y'all. I'm Caroline Cole. Follow me on Instagram at ccolestories and on Twitter backwards. Strike that, reverse it. On Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories and on Twitter at ccolestories. Stories. All right, and like, comment, subscribe, and thanks. Have a great week. See y'all next week. Goodbye.